Start.
So our topic is air pollution. Air pollution is as a major factor of pollution in today's world. Delhi is stated as the most polluted city in the world with over 500 plus AQI, and there are many factors which can decrease the air pollution. So anybody?
These days farmers have burned their like paralis, and that is the main reason of pollution. In these days, Delhi has more जहरीली गैस मतलब जो उसका लेवल है मतलब जहरीली गैस का जो लेवल वो ज़्यादा बढ़ चुका है, मतलब वहाँ सांस लेना भी मुश्किल हो चुका है और विजिबिलिटी भी पोल्यूशन की वजह से बहुत कम हो चुकी है। तो मेन थिंग
I totally agree with Himanshu. There are many issues regarding air pollution in India. According to World Health Organization, out of 10 cities, most out of 20 cities most populated are 10 in India. There are many reasons of air pollution like agriculture, increasing air pollution, and industrialization, urbanization are the major factors which are impacting air pollution in India.
So there basically air pollution is caused by the suspended particles left over in the environment, and they make a bond with oxygen and depletes its oxygen level in the air and causing such as carbon particles sustained in the environment as well, and which causes the pollution, also causes fog and also causes the different type of disease caused by these gaseous particles suspended in the air. So basically, air pollution is a very harmful thing, and there are many challenges which the country is facing through air pollution. Is basically the majorly it causes the accidents in the in winter season with mixing with the smoke and smoke mixing of smoke and smoke creates an environment that it decreases the total visibility in the surroundings, so which causes accidents also. And due to air pollution, there are many harmful diseases like asthma, bronchitis, and there are several diseases which a person faces. Also, there are many challenges like the increasing particles. Also, increases the increasing pollution. Also, increases the global warming, which rises the temperature of Earth day by day, which is rising. And due to which several other factors are also generating, like the depletion of icebergs. Also, the temperature is rising by 2 degrees Celsius every 3 years or every 4 years. Also, the census conducted by the government says that in year 2025 there will be a kind of disaster coming in the world, which will create a heat wave that will affect severe humans also. These are the challenges faced by the citizens or the country.
I agree with Bharat. Nowadays, experts say in the end of 2050. Many of we buy oxygen now in Delhi. Oxygen cafes are open. You will pay 200 rupees or 500 rupees, and you have take fresh air in that cafe. In 250, there are the number of these cafes are more increasing, and we want to take oxygen and pay for that.
One of the major part is the pollution which is caused by the vehicles. As we know, day by day the vehicles are increasing in our society. As we can see, number of vehicles they increasing, and this is causing the pollution because everywhere some or the other person has 2 or 3 vehicles in a per house. So it is a major role for the air pollution. Also recently, not recently, once Arvind Kejriwal has tried to reduce the pollution by fixing the taxi numbers or number of the vehicles are odd even also in Delhi. But that doesn't help because we know Delhi has a very large number of vehicles. So it is a challenge in front of the government how they will force the automobile companies to shift to EVs, which will help in decreasing the pollution.
I totally agree with him. Another point I want to add with him is industrialization. As we know, day by day industrialization is growing, and second point is urbanization. They both contribute a huge amount of pollution in air quality. We see that in Delhi PM 2.5 and PM 10 is at severe levels, which is causing very
There are basically three cities which are in NCR, like Delhi, Faridabad, and Gurugram, where the air quality index is above 400 AQI. So that is basically very disaster or dangerous hazardous as well. And nowadays, the government also says that there will be a week or student leave of schools, and they will attend online classes due to the bad air quality. That is now become a hot topic because nobody has ever thought that the air quality would affect the regular lifestyle of the country people or the population. And basically, these are most populated cities. NCRs, the Faridabad, Noida, Gurugram, and Delhi. These are overpopulated due to which the fossil fuels are more and more used, the vehicles are more and more used, the resources are more and more used. That's the main reason of causing the air pollution. Also increasing demand of people due to population residing in a city or in a town. The resources are used more and more. Due to which the garbage is also produced, and burning of garbage is the only option for the government to settle the garbage, and that causes pollution in the air. Basically, the most polluted cities are the cities which are having the baddest quality of air, and in the index, Delhi, Faridabad are also on the top with the cities of poor air quality index, and Indore is said to the cleanest city, and also registered on a place in India with top clean city of India, and due to which its pollution level is also very low. Also, we are seeing that government is taking some implements to decrease this, and our Indian government has said also that by 2050 we are targeting to be a zero emission or zero carbon country. So there are many steps taken by the government due to tackle these issues, these agendas, and which will help with furthermore in the development also, and to decrease the pollution also, as well as with the time period.
So I totally agree with him. Another point that I want to add is construction work. As we know, while construction there are many huge amount of dust is produced. That dust is gets dissoluted with the air, and air gets polluted.
Also, I would add, it is not like one or two factors which is affecting air pollution. Also, a major role is the pollution which is caused by firecrackers. As recently, in a survey it is shown that in Delhi, before Diwali, the air index was not too bad, which is now in the current state. But after Diwali, due to the firecrackers, the air index has been too poor, which was not in nearly not in a quarter. But now the air index is going to the worst, and this is due to firecrackers. So I would say that to reduce the firecrackers, government should take the control over the firecrackers. That now we can say before 1 or 2 years we have no limits. We can use any type of crackers, not green. But nowadays government has imposed that we have to only use green firecrackers. And also there is a particular time on a day or 1 or 2 hours we can use that firecrackers. So they will help in reducing the air pollution.
CFC, the chlorofluorocarbon, which is used in refrigerators or air conditioners, which is resulting in the depletion of ozone layer, is exchanged with the chlorohydrocarbon, which to overcome this issue, and also to overcome the combustion pollution caused from the cars, vehicles, etc. To overcome this, EVs, electric vehicles are now in trending, but that is just changing of the medium of pollution, because the lithium batteries are also toxic to the environment and causing pollution. So
as I want to say about the Parali problem, so that this is every problem comes with a solution also. So many industries are ready to buy Parali and making them as a direct material and converting them into a goods and services to the customers. So we should not fire the Paralis in the environment, and we should sell them also in the companies, and we should also avoid personal vehicles, and we should also follow the public transport so we can reduce our air pollution and increase the quality of air.
So as I beg to differ with my friend, and as he said, the problems are generated and has a solution also, but in our developing country, most people are uneducated and unknown to the point that the government is also ready to buy their complete livestock which is left after harvesting. And in this season, every year, these main three months are there: September, October, November, which is the main cause of pollution, because the pali burning in Haryana and Punjab is done by the farmers, and the government is educating them that they do not burn to make that land again for the crop harvesting. They should collect that pali, and the government will buy them. And the Goshalas are also majorly focused on buying that pali, because the livestock animal husbandry is major dependent on the pali kind of thing. So there are many issues related due to pralis, the pollution also, the decrease by burning the prali, there is decrease in fertility of the land also, which farmers has to make land fertile again by adding some pesticides, fertilizers also, which is harmful for the health as well as for the environment. So prali burning is a major factor and challenge, and the uneducated or undeveloped people mind is setup is also a major factor that causes air pollution, because usage of resources is very unanimous. People doesn't know how to use resources. They used to be that it doesn't create pollution or it doesn't generate carbon in the environment. So these are basically agendas, and government is tackling through by making schemes like I further said that government is ready to buy the prali, that last product from the land of farmers, and they give subsidies also to farmers to supply to the complete private companies. They make as my friend said, they make the whole product output product, final product that can be used as doormats, that can be used as in animal husbandry, that can be used in handicraft materials. So they are basically government is educating people more and more, and mainly driving some campaigns also to tell people to make aware that rally is very harmful. Its pollution its smoke is very harmful for the health as well as for the environment. So basically these are agendas, and the government is taking steps, but basically now is the time what the people should be more aware about the hazardous factors caused by burning prali, caused by using wrong resources. So I would like to conclude this complete debate.
Yes, as I totally agree with him, the main problem or the challenges to the government is not for how to stop it. The main agenda for government for to stop air pollution is to educate the uneducated people, the awareness among the people and among the society which is not present. As we know, as you can see the numbers, Haryana and Punjab largely there are the largely farmers, and this pali process which we are talking about is very hazardous for us. So the main challenges to the government is to educate everyone. Now here we all are educated person, but the farmers or farming they are not educated, because from their ancestors it is a culture of that land. After harvesting, the leftover of morali is being burnt in their field. But we should educate and spread awareness about this, and also try to shift us also, and try to shift our friends also from automobile to EVs. I mean to say from to the not for fossil fuels. Right, we should shift EV. As also Bharat said that lithium batteries also leads to depletion or plays a role in air pollution, but it is an alternative. As we know, directly if we are increasing more and more vehicles, instead of that we can just replace it with EVs, because we will buy more time, because the lithium battery will not be decomposable, but it will give us 5 years to think about it and find a better alternative. So
I totally agree with him. Lack of awareness is a big challenge, because another challenge is that government should not implementing their government policies to the industries and urbanization to these, because they do whatever they want. Industries are not following the regulatories which is implemented by the government, and they are producing more and more smoke.
I think Abdul want to say something.
I agree with them what they are saying, but there is one point that which is effect on the animals also. If in the road पर जब धुंध ज़्यादा होती है तो एनिमल्स वहाँ पर जाते हैं तो गाड़ी से एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, तो ह्यूमंस को तो इफेक्ट करता ही करता है, एनिमल्स को इफेक्ट करता ही करता है, जो बहुत मेजर प्रॉब्लम है।
I would like to look that.
As my friend said, we have to start more and more trees. So nowadays in market, green products are available, which in return, plants are free. Basically, I will purchase a product from that company. They will plant a sapling or a tree, and they will send a geolocation of that plant or tree to us. I think we should stay on that type of product, because we will buy the same product with any other companies. It will not affect anyone. But if we are buying product from that company, it will help to our society also. So we should stick to the green and eco-friendly products, which will help to us.
So till now we have seen some major factors or the agendas which are created by air pollution and the challenges felt by the population. So the government is also driving some schemes for the help of decreasing the air pollution. They are making some schools, basic life classes for the farmers also, educating farmers to create less leftovers from the field and to not to burn trolleys. Also, they are educating students from the very young age. Air pollution is hazardous for the future as well as for the present as well. So basically, some more initiatives should be increased by the government, and major workforce should be implemented towards this procurement of major benefits of not burning crackers, not burning trolleys, not burning other fuels that create carbon leftovers in the environment or causes pollution. So I would like to conclude, or I should conclude the. Okay. So I would like to conclude that majorly we have countered some factors and agendas which are created through air pollution or the challenges faced by us. So on self level, we should also be aware of all kinds of challenges, and we should opt some other ideas and innovations to decrease it with timely, and we can help government by helping by some fundings, by educating ourselves also, and by educating our society. We can take some classes, we can prepare some presentations on that benefits and disbenefits. Also the new ideas we can generate. We can help with the PPT that how can it be reduced or alternatives of some fossil fuels which contribute in major environment pollution. So on my level, I think that everyone on their level should be aware and make aware others also about this, which helps in decreasing the pollution, air pollution.
For decreasing the pollution, use more public vehicles and planting more trees, and complaining about that to those who are the rallies and the